Do you know how to make Windows as default while you have dual boot with Linux? Today I gonna show you can bring Windows first and Ubuntu after that within no time. Welcome to my channel, like the video and comment what next you want and subscribe if you want to get any more tech videos. Get started. Open the terminal. Go to Home directory. Then go to Root. Then get to Boot directory. There is a GRUB folder, go there. And find grub.cfg file. Open it with Get it with root permission. Now after opening, find the set default equals 0 and set 0 to 2. After that, save and exit it. Congratulations, now you can get Windows triggered as default while booting. You can check by restarting PC. Thanks. If you liked it, subscribe and share. Meet you in next video. Have a good time ahead.